Hello, and welcome to another episode of Tailgate Talks. How are you currently hanging heavy loads from the ceiling, like wood or metal, or even real large objects? Are you suspending strut or stud subframing? Did you know that Armstrong has several structural ceiling grid systems that can carry much heavier loads than standard or even drywall grid? Stay tuned, and we'll dig deeper into all these systems. Check out this project where the contractor suspended Armstrong custom WH1000 metal panels with a wood looks finish, creating ribs on 5-foot centers throughout a large show space. Ordinarily, this would require a heavy gauge strut sub ceiling with threaded rods all the way to deck to bear the heavy ribs. Then a separate acoustical ceiling below. Conversely, it could have also been done with 30-inch on center stud drops from structure. Let's simplify this and instead install one T-bar grid system with 12-gauge wires to deck. This is Prelude XL Max. This double bulb 2 and 7/16 inch high grid has a 15/16 inch face that receives standard sized ceiling panels. It can also carry up to 300-pound point loads when suspended with 3/8 inch threaded rods and integrated hanging joint and splice clips. You can also scale down Prelude Max by adjusting your hanging methods and using 12-gauge wire like we did on this project. Just make sure to reach out to your regional installation specialist so we can make the right suspension recommendations based on your specific project needs. Here's another project where they were suspending Armstrong Castworks GFRG canoes on a repeated layout with a black acoustical ceiling above. No separate strut subframing was needed above this black acoustical ceiling. Instead, the contractor got their regional installation specialist involved. He was able to engineer a single Prelude Max system hung by 12-gauge wire with the appropriate reinforcing clips to bear the weight of these canoes. If acoustical panels are specified, all you need to do is drop them into this single suspension system that holds the panels and bears the heavy loads. It's one system and done. There's no more need to labor through the installation of two separate suspension systems. Bottom line, with Prelude Max, you are only installing one grid system that carries all of your heavy loads while sealing off the plenum with standard-sized acoustical ceiling panels. If you need to carry even heavier loads, Dynamax can support up to 1,200-pound point loads, and Dynamax Plus can even carry more. We have the structural grid system you need for whatever your project requires. To learn more, simply visit the link at the bottom of the screen. Thanks, and I'll see you next month on the Tailgate.